Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Today we're going to be working on the beast. That's right, one video I made explained to you how I'm going to turn the bucketeer, we're going to kill it, we're going to turn it into the beast. So what I did first, kind of time, save some time, I cut out of the brackets to hold the main frame on. I cut them into certain sizes. How I marked the holes, I slid them into my receiver on my multi-hitch, and I took some spray paint and I painted it. So when it cured, I center punched, drilled, and I drilled it where it's not exactly the size of this pin, which is 1/2 inch. But I did 9/16. I want a little play. I want it easy to go on and not hard. So I got them cleaned up. The other part of the arms, the 1/2 inch piece, I cut them. I made these things, let's see, it's been a while. They're 5 inches long. They're going to be braces to hold this to that. So, what we're going to do first, we are going to slip these brackets into my multi-hitch. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button. Now I got these things marked left and right. I used a center punch. So this is going to go on the right side of the tractor. I'm not sure if all these receivers, the holes are the same. I know some of them aren't. Tell you what, I'm going to bore that hole out. We'll be right back. That's always been a nuisance. Okay, I finally got it ground down. So, I need my tape measure. I want to make sure they go in smooth. So let's set this thing up here. Sure, it's not going to stay. We want to get this thing even to the plate. At least make it center. Now we can do it like that. Alright, so we get a straight edge to make this a little simpler. For this, it's not really important, but when you want something to look right, looks like about almost 1/2 inch there. There you go, this way just a tad more. Three-eighths. Okay, that's about even. So what we're going to do, we need to mark this thing so I can grind off the paint. And what we're going to end up doing, I'll show you here in a second. We're going to mark on both sides. Because you know what? Why not? Okay. So, got these things marked. Let me put this on the bench. Okay. I couldn't put the plates on the bottom, but I put extra weld, so that should not break. Not at 90 amps. Guys, when I weld, normally I weld at 75, 60, maybe even 40. When you're welding, you know, these half-inch plates to something this thin, you have to be careful. So 90 worked. So what I got to do now, and it's something that it's going to help to get this thing inside the receivers on the tractor. We're going to bevel these edges here. See how square they are? It makes it a little hard to locate them in the receivers. So that's what I'm going to do next. And I'm going to, at least I'm not welding, I won't destroy my camera, so I'll show you how we're going to do it. So now I'm smoothing it up with an 80 grit paddle wheel. Pretty good. Let's clean up the sides a little bit. Okay. So now, let's see how it looks like going into the tractor. So, it's lodged in there a whole lot easier. Now, I'm going to have to run a drill bit through these holes to make it just a little bit easier to get the pins in. The holes are exactly 1/2 inch, and remember I drilled out at 9/16. Problem I have, the bit won't fit the drill. So we're going to try something different. So I'm going to use my paddle wheel. Going to do this carefully because I can't get a drill bit in the chuck the way I'd like to. But I don't think that's going to work. So let's start this. Doesn't look too bad. So now we got it in. Looks good. So now it's time to add some primer. I think it'd be a lot easier to do it while it's on the tractor. So I'm using this Magic. It's a Rust Kill multi-purpose spray enamel. It's actually a primer. So we're going to put some light coats on it. Gotta get this shook up a little bit better. Okay, you can see I got it all primed. We're going to let it sit like this, as long as the loader will hold it up, and dry overnight. Then I'll do some fine sanding on it, make it look a little better. And then going to have to, while it's out, I'm going to have it sit on those ends so I can prime the other end. So when all's said and done, we'll get it painted, give it the name, and you'll see it next time when it's complete. Well, guys, I hope you watch this video to the reveal. Like I said in the very beginning, this tool was given to me, and it was called the bucketeer, tractor bucket attachment. For those of you who don't have a third function on your loader for a grapple, I can't afford to do so. This tool was given to me because the company had gone under because they just wanted too much for the stuff, or they just didn't stand behind their tool. So I got this from Tony's Tractor Venture. He got it from Tim's, Tractor Time with Tim. So, I'm the third YouTuber to get this. So I wanted it to fit the tractor the way I want my other attachments to fit. So, let me introduce you to the beast. Here you go. Fits in my receiver, where my forks would normally go. These things are what they call a landscape comb. I think they're evil looking. And you see, I put my channel's initials, Lynn's Homestead, 2023, The Beast, with a little claw marks on. I did with a hand, a brush. So guys, you tell me what you think. Let me rotate this thing. There you have it. Took me 4 days. And you got to see it all. So you tell me, what do you think of the beast? Tell you what, I hope my channel starts going up, because that toolbar that I fabricated to the front of this multi-hitch is going to do way more for my channel than anything else. See you in the next video. You have an awesome day, and God bless.